Welcome to my weekly vanity cleaning, romanticizing cleaning my vanity. I do this once a week. Yes, I don't know what to say, but yeah, it's just me cleaning, okay? You see what I'm doing? I don't have to spell it out for you. Oh, this is going terribly. But I like to do this every week because my vanity is my favorite furniture at home. Why? Because I'm the only one that uses it. My husband doesn't use it. My son doesn't use it. Occasionally, my daughter wants to sit next to me or sit on it so that we can pretend makeup or hairstyles and things like that. So I love this vanity. I got it from Amazon. If you guys want the details for it, it's perfect. The exact, the perfect size for our bedroom. And it's small enough so I can tuck it between the windows. I love sitting next to it and looking at the windows. As you can see, I do clean it a lot, but I'm not the most organized person ever. My husband say that I'm a very clean person, but I'm not the most organized, and I'm okay with it. I mean, this is who I am. We don't need to do the most here. These are my makeup items. There's a lot of them that I just need to throw out, but I just keep them. I don't know why. Some of them I slowly throw out things, slowly, like I'm putting the stuff that are done, the eyeliners that I ran out, I put them in the bags. Slowly I do that. And, make sure I clean everything, and I'm starting that new journey of romanticizing what I do so that it can feel good to me, so it doesn't feel like a chore. And I love doing it. I start with this because I love the furniture. You just gotta find something that you love. Yeah. So I'm gonna place everything back as best as I can. It's not gonna be perfect. You might be asking, why don't you have organizers? I could, but is it really necessary? I'm tired of the overconsumption of these days, of this generation or this season. Overconsumption nowadays, I just want to stay away from that. And it's not necessary. If it's not, then I don't need it. If I want it and I really, really want it, I'll get it. Depends. If it's outside of my budget, then I have to make the adult decision not to get it. But I'm rambling because it's what I do, You're probably going to have this video on pause because you're probably going to be like, what is she talking about? What is she saying is not even going with the video anyways. So it's just a video of you're probably just watching me clean it up. And it's therapeutic, Cleaning is therapeutic. You can make it therapeutic. I'm going to put everything back, on there as best as I can. It's never the same from the first time, if you know what I mean. When I clean and I put things back, it's I place it differently. So yeah, I'm placing things back. I'm not doing the most right now. I usually have my favorite, not my favorite, but the perfumes that I use daily or most of the time on there. And then the rest of my perfumes, I have them somewhere else. Yeah, it's my little daughter's little hand over there trying to wave. Girl. Anyways, yeah, putting my stuff back. Oh, I have my skincare products on there because this is where I put them. This is where I do my skincare routine after I wash my face in the bathroom. I do have a video coming up for that. I'm just being myself right now because supposedly when you're on YouTube, you have to be yourself. I mean, what if being myself, nobody likes it? But I'm going to be myself. I'll be scared of being myself because in this whole video, you're probably going to be like, what is she talking about? But that's me being myself, okay? Be nice. All right. Okay, thank you. Anyways, we're almost done here, and last step is to light a nice little candle. So gotta make it clean up, and also make it smell good. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. It's okay if you like this video, but if you don't care, that's fine. Bye. Love ya. All right. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. Oh, stop.